Just 60 days remaining for your CA inter exam. Assuming that you study effectively for 10 hours every day, that gives you a total of 600 hours. If I were in your situation, I would have utilized these 600 hours in this manner. The student and appearing for both the groups. So this is the study target that you should set. Daily study target of 10 hours. For group 1, you can give 25 days. For group 2, 25 days. For test paper solving, MTP, RTP and prelim papers, you can allot 8 days. Accounts revision before the exam, 2 days. So this gives you a total of 60 days. If you study for 10 hours daily, so target 250 hours for group 1, 250 hours for group 2, test papers 80 hours and revision before the exam for 20 hours. So this is a breakup of 600 hours. So try to complete group 1 in 25 days, study 10 hours every day. You can manage the time that you give for each subject depending upon your preparation. So let's say for accounts, if you have given around 70 hours, for law you can give 50 hours, for tax you can give the remaining hours. So this will help you to plan your day accordingly. It is not compulsory that you should study just one subject every day. You can choose to study 2 or 3 subjects every day, but considering that you are studying for 10 hours daily, for next 25 days, plan your studies for group 1 and then you plan your studies for group 2. So this is the study calendar for students who are appearing for both the groups. Now, in case you are appearing for just one group, then you can identify the subject that you're weak in. So let's say, for example, you are appearing for group 1 and you feel that tax is not your strong subject. Allot 20 days for taxation. So the subject that you're weak in, let's say you are appearing for group 2 and you feel that audit is your weak subject, then allot 20 days for audit, and the remaining 15 days can be allotted for other subjects of the group. You should allot 8 days for paper solving, MTP, RTP, because there are many amendments which you need to study, the past exam question papers. So 8 days are sufficient for that, and you need 2 days to start the revision of the first paper that you're going to appear. So if it is group 1, you need to keep 2 days for accounts, and if it is group 2, accordingly. So this will give you a timetable in the days. Now you have a total of 600 hours. I'm assuming that in these 60 days you will study for 10 hours every day. So please allot 200 hours for the subject that you are weak in. You have another 150 hours for the other subjects. This will give you a total of 500 hours. You need 80 hours for paper solving, and you can utilize the remaining 20 hours for revision. So this will be a breakup of 600 hours that you have, assuming that you study 10 hours every day for the next 60 days. Guys, in case you find law difficult, we have fast track lectures for law. For that, you can visit my website, capreetyagarwal.com. Books, lectures and test series can be purchased from our website, capreetyagarwal.com.